I am Bhandare SS, R.R. Shinde Junior College. Today we are going to see incomplete dominance. According to the Mendel, the law of dominance is the character which is appeared in F1 generation is called the law of dominance. He performed the different experiment and stated the different laws, and there are the different ratios which are obtained in the different crosses. But after Mendel, the scientists performed the different experiment and they found that there is a deviations in the Mendelian ratio, and such experiments are called the neo-Mendelism. So one of that experiment is the incomplete dominance. So in incomplete dominance, it is in this the Mendelian ratio it get deviated. So what is the incomplete dominance? Let us see that. So in case of that Mirabilis jalapa, there are the two types of the flowers, red color flower and white color flower. The red color flower having when it is crossed with white color flower, then according to the Mendel or as per the Mendel, the red color flower should be appeared. But what happened here? A pink color flower is appeared and having the genes as like the the red color flower having the genes capital R, white color flower having the genes small r, and the pink color flower having the genes capital R and the small r. Because here in F1 generation, the capital R and the small r genes are present. Though here the capital R gene is present, and according to that Mendel, it should be the red color. But what happens here? The capital R as well as the small r, both genes are present in F1 generation, but instead of that, the red color, the pink color is appeared. That means there is a blending or the mixing of character. The red color and the white color it get mixed and the pink color is appeared. That means there is no any dominant character or no any recessive character. No one character is suppressed, no one character it get dominated over the other, and it is called the incomplete dominance. So what happens in the F2 generation, the when F1 crossed with F1 is called as the selfing. So after selfing, that means the pink colored flower crossed with pink colored flower having the genes capital R and a small r, and another flower having the gene capital R small r, that is the hybrid plant. Then here the four types of the flowers are produced. First flower is the red color flower having gene capital R capital R. Then another flower which is produced is pink colored flower and is a capital R having gene capital R small r. The third flower appeared in F2 generation is pink colored and having gene capital R and small r. The fourth flower which is appeared having a color white color having gene small r and small r. That means here when F1 crossed with F1, that is the selfing takes place, then the four types of the flowers they appeared in F2 generation. One of that is the red color flower, because here the capital R gene is present, and the two pink color flowers are appeared, that is though here the capital R as well as the small r is present, neither red or the white color flower, but here there is a mixing of color and two pink color flowers are appeared, and the fourth flower is the white color because having a small r and a small r. So in case of that incomplete dominance, the ratio is 1 as to 2 as to 1. The red colored flower is 1, pink colored flower appears are 2, and white colored flower appears is the 1. So With the help of that experiment, we can conclude that, or we concluded that incomplete dominance, in case of that incomplete dominance, gene express partially, that is capital R and the small r, gene express partially in F1 generation. The capital R having the red color, they express the red color, and here the small r express the white color. But in F1 generation, it express partially. That means there is a blending. Then here both dominant and recessive gene express in F1 generation. Both dominant as well as the recessive gene express in F1 generation. As per the Mendel, only dominant gene express in F1 generation, and the small r, that is the recessive gene, is suppressed in F1 generation. But in incomplete dominance, here the both gene they express partially, and there is a blending or mixing of character. So in incomplete dominance, there is a blending or mixing of character, and the gene express partially, and the example is Mirabilis jalapa. Then in codominance, it is also another example for the neo-Mendelism. Here the example is that when a white cow crossed with red cow, the white cow having the capital W and capital W gene, the red cow having the small w and small w genes. That is the hair color of the hair color present on the skin is the red color, and here the white color, and it depends upon that gene capital W and the small w. What happens when the cross is made between that white colored cow and the red color cow? Then here the F1 generation is surprising. It is exactly opposite to that Mendel's, and here the patches are observed, the white as well as the red color, and this cow is called as such type of the cow is called as the roan cow. So the hair color, there are the patches of the hair colors, white and red, and the genes are capital W and small w. What happens here? The genes express equally. That is the capital W, which governs the white hair color. It also express as well as the small w, which governs the red hair. Also red hair of that skin also express in the F1 generation, and that's why here the patches are observed. Okay, so in F1 generation the roan cow is appeared. Then in F2 generation, that is a selfing. When selfing is done, F1 is crossed with the F1, that is roan cow having capital W, small w gene crossed with roan cow having capital W and small gene. Then here the four types of the cows are observed in F2 generation. The first is that white cow with capital W and capital W gene is appeared. Then second one is that roan cow is also appeared with capital W and small w gene. Then third one is that capital W and small w genes which shows express the roan character of that cow, and fourth one is that the red cow is also appeared with gene small w and small w. So in F2 generation, the four types of the cows are appeared when the selfing is done. The one is that white colored cow, another one is the roan cow, and the red cow. It is only because of that there is a codominance, that is the gene express equally. Here the genes are expressed equally. So the ratio of the codominance is 1:2:1. The red cow is a 1 appeared. Number of red cow is appeared in F2 generation is 1. The number of roan cow appeared in the F2 generation are the 2, and the height curve appeared in the F2 generation is the 1. So the ratio is 1 as to 2 as to 1. So in codominance, the gene express equally. Both dominant and the recessive gene express in F1 generation, and there is no mixing or no blending of character. So they remember that in incomplete dominance and the codominance, the ratio is 1 as to 2 as to 1. Okay, do you understand it?